Yo, what's up? It's Slovo here. Day 39, Suicide Prevention Challenge, 100 push-up. I'm going to do it in front of this airplane.
But we already prepared the lunch. Yeah, so I mean there. How about here? Okay, so
10. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm at O'Riellys Rainforest at Leamington Park. This plane here is a replica of a plane that crashed in this area in 1939. 2 survivors. There was 3 in there and 1 died from going for help. We're here right now, and the message today is continue to stay out, you know? Continue to live your life and do things. This was like about a 2-hour drive from where we was, and if you could see around, unbelievable the amount of nature. Look at the turkey taking my cigarettes. What a funny. He's addicted. Thank you, man.
thanks.
So as you can see, look, the turkey's here. Get out of here. So look, the message of today is have fun, enjoy your life, get out of your house, you know, do things. Beautiful birds, king parrots behind us, they were landing on us. We had a chirposaurus, we had a chirpthaniel, you know, my little bird friends come and kick it with us, and you know, we make it fun, you know what I mean? Day 39, tomorrow I fly back to Brisbane. Back to Sydney. I'm in Brisbane. Massive show last night, woke up like, you know what I mean? But enjoy your lives, people, have fun, man. Look at my new cap, the homie rates, man. But look, homies made mad sacrifice, man, and here we are now, able to enjoy this place, you know. All right. I'm not good. Do you want to show them the mountains? It's a beautiful place, man. I'm happy to be here today. There's another turkey coming back. Don't make me tackle you. All right, everyone, I'm out, man. I'm gonna go join there's a bird show going on. I'm gonna go shoot it, man. All right, thanks everyone. Day 39, 100 push-up challenge. Stay safe, be yourself. Boom, we out.